Hello, everyone. Good morning. How has your day been? My name is Patrick Ujide, and today we're going to be talking about an all-important, subject. A lot of people are trying to make money online. I understand that, even for those who are working, keeping a 9 to 5, you need something extra to, make money, especially with the way the world economy is going, not just the Nigerian economy or any other economy. And I just want to put this out there because, things are becoming easier every day. And if you don't, for some of us who have been frustrated out of, trying to make money in the past, especially online, you've maybe probably gotten into scams or tried something and it didn't work and you were frustrated and all that. I want you to listen because this is going to be the game changer that you have always been looking for. And I'm not going to be asking you to invest in any scheme. I'm not going to be asking you to come and join my team or anything like that. This is something that once you get from the comfort of your room without having to coerce anybody to join your team or anything, you'll be making your own cool money. Like, seriously. So there are many opportunities out there to make money. A lot of them exist now out there to make money, and you can talk about e-commerce. You can talk about, so many other. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you that the best way to make money, arguably, is affiliate marketing. Trust me, I have done it all, and I've seen that one of the easiest ways to make money online is affiliate marketing, and I'll tell you why. Now, and I'm actually talking about selling other people's courses, precisely. There are so many other affiliate opportunities out there. There are so many of them, but the easiest one to do is selling other people's courses, and we'll see why. When you're selling other people's courses, it's a digital product, so you're not talking about inventory, you're not talking about whether they are paying on delivery, you're not talking about a lot of customer management. You're also not talking about so many hassles that comes with physical products and other forms of making money online. In affiliate marketing, where you're selling courses, these people most of the time, especially for those fast selling courses, especially for those courses that a lot of people are going to buy based on recommendations, they are actually one of the best things that you can sell, in the market right now. Now, I know sales is scary. That's the problem. A lot of you are already thinking, oh, it's the best kind of thing to do, but how do I sell? Because I understand the frustration that comes with sales. I've been in sales since around 2019, and I can tell you that, man, it's something that a lot of people, especially when they are new to sales, it's really, really scary. And we're in the part of the world where a lot of people are not trained to understand that sales is something that they should get a hang of. Many of us entered into sales out of curiosity. Some entered not even by their own doing. So I understand the fears and the frustrations that come with selling. You're trying to convince someone, you're trying to do this and that, and at the end of the day, they still may not buy. That is not what this is about. This um uh the whole thing about sales has actually been cracked. You can actually sell now leveraging technology, leveraging a lot of things that would help you be able to make that sales, even without have you having to be there to, contact anybody and all that. Now people are now making stupendous money selling with different, you know, results that are bringing in stupendous amounts of money. There are lots of strategies that we're going to be opening up to you guys to help you see how you can begin to make crazy amounts of money on a daily basis. There are opportunities out there, but because you don't know, that's why you still think that sales is a very difficult thing. Imagine making 100,000 naira weekly. Now, just imagine that, and you're not running ads, you're not, creating an email list, you're not doing any of all those frustrating things that we were taught to do when we started affiliate marketing. So that's why I said that the codes have been cracked. You can actually do this now and be put your course and your link in front of a lot of people. So just by having a smartphone, having an internet, and having a hot selling product, you can actually be cashing out on a daily basis. It is very, very, very possible. And that is why um, this is actually like printing your own money. It's actually like, printing your own money on a daily basis. And if you want to have this, just chat me up. There will be a link either in the bio or in the description. Depending on where you're seeing this, there will be a link where you can actually click through and be able to have access to me. So just do that and we'll take it up from here. I just want to thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to this point. Thank you for everything. I hope to get to interact with you. I'm Patrick. Bye.